I didn't mean to say that. What? Bro, the voice box.
Why are your guys' cameras so glitchy?
Hunter. Why are you so short?
I don't know.
The thing is, his brother's pretty tall.
I got big brain. What the fuck?
Hunter, stop! Stop! Literally stop!
Do what? What?
What?
Your voice cracks.
Shut up, button.
You sound like a boiling pan of water.
What's this? Yeah, what are we?
I can't spell.
Spider-Man, you know what I'm saying, bro? You know that, bro. I'm gonna swing, wee.
Stop! You're making us die for
Wee. What the?
Stop laughing.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Hunter!
What's this? What, bro? Yo, look, I'm on a phone call with black nigga. There we go.
Guys, I have a sugar mama.
What?
Who? This girl named Crystal.
Who?
Oh my gosh, people ask me all the time. Alright,
Who's that?
Oh, hi, Kyla.
Who's this?
Who the fuck is Kyla?
Bro left.
I think her Wi-Fi isn't that good, so. Because she lives at her grandparents' house.
Where did Hunter go?
You're in my kitchen.
Oh.
Are you getting a little snack?
Maybe.
Bro's grabbing Cocoa Puffs.
No.
Bro, your voice cracks.
Who gives a fuck?
This was me. This was him pulling my hair.
Who was?
Xander.
Oh. That bitch right there.
Yeah.
Hello. What the fuck? Burp like that?
I burped.
Wanna fuck a dude?
Watch.
What?
I'm gonna snap on here. Oh, look at. Wait, hold on. I got a plan. Hold on. This is pretty funny. Okay. So, hi, how you doing?
What the fuck?
What?
Hold on. Look at. Where am I? What shirt? I'm shirtless right now.
Put a shirt on.
He
Wee!
just left and joined. I mean, left and joined and then left.
Hunter, stop being loud.
He put his phone in a washing machine.
Yes, yeah.
Hell? Why do you like this, boy? Oh, nah.
Down there. Can't turn my camera. ASMR.
Oh, there's Chloe.
Who's this?
It's Chloe.
I couldn't tell. Bro, I got a snack or something.
What are you eating?
Shut up, Hunter!
Who is up?
That's Russell Bass.
What?
Wait, where?
Bye.
No!
What?
Bro looks like a grown man.
I know.
Who is that?
Russell Bass.
Looks like a fucking fat ass.
That's so rude.
But, like,
Be nice to Bess.
he's weird.
I'm not being weird.
No, not yeah. Well, yes, you are, but like, I'm not talking about you.
No, I'm not. Well, I have no shirt on right now. I have no shoes or
can't
socks on
type.
right now. Why is there so many people in here? That was a bad one.
Be on mute.
Yo, whoever's talking right now,
Chloe, Chloe, unmute.
Chloe,
Chloe, unmute.
I'm here.
This group chat
Tell
is
the
so
story.
weird.
What
I'm
story?
leaving this group chat.
You're leaking it.
What just happened?
She's leaking in the group chat. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah.
Bro just joined and left.
Okay, Tyler. Hunter!
What the fuck? Like late night in the town. Like what the fuck?
Read the message.
What? Hunter! What?
Why are you voice cracking so much?
Shut the fuck up. Why am you?
Bro, he left. Why are you voice cracking so much? You just scream, Hunter! And bro just leaves.
Oh,
What is that video? Why he join and leave? Yell at him. Join.
that's pretty fucking. Was that supposed to be funny?
What?
What?
What if I added Bella?
Fuck you.
Okay.
No. Hey. Now say. Did you just fucking rip ass?
No.
Dude, how old are you?
14.
You sound like you're 9.
Why'd your voice get
I know.
deeper?
Yeah.
His voice got deeper.
I know.
Bro went through puberty, his balls dropped.
I heard that guys' voices get deeper when they're attracted to somebody.
And your voice gets higher. Your voice is pretty deep right now.
I know.
Ew!
Hunter, I love you.
I'm leaving.
No!
No! No!
Ever again.
No!
Don't
What?
dare say that. Ever again.
Yell at him!
Leave.
Hunter,
You
please.
scream his name while voice cracking a punch.
Shut up.
Bro got a crush on Andrew.
No, I have a crush on Hunter.
I'm leaving.
So does Lily. No, he left!
Oh, my camera's on. Motherfucker.
His camera was on for a second. Lily, did you like that
Hunter.
glimpse of him? Did you think it was hot?
Hunter, do you vape?
You already know that.
He does.
You bad boy. Holy shit, look how hot I am.
You are not
Holy
hot.
shit.
Okay, hold on. I need to add this
Friends.
kid. Stop! Why'd you say that?
What? The bro look like a roach?
That looks like a roach. Hold on.
Bro look
I
like
need,
a roach.
I need to add this kid.
I
Connor.
found a new father.
Connor. I was gonna tell you to go look at that.
Why are they both on mute? Bro look like a roach.
Bro look like a roach. Ow, I need
Big happy family.
stop.
And he's in the screw shot, so
Ew,
he put the mask back on.
What's that kid's name? Hunter?
Yeah.
He added me back. Hi. He added me back. Oh my goodness, my cat.
My brother just came up the stairs and burped really loud.
Ew.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Bro, what the fuck? That's unnecessary.
That's unnecessary.
Bro was 9.
Okay,
Bye,
bro, what's up with
guys.
your voice? Have you just like not hit your growth spurt or something? Like, what's wrong with your
Yeah.
voice? I feel like you need to hit your growth spurt. Bro, I hit my growth spurt when I was like 5.
No, you didn't.
How
You're
tall are
shorter
you,
than
kid?
me.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Hold on, let the kid answer. How tall are you?
I'm fucking short.
What?
I'm short.
How tall?
Fucking short. You don't want to know.
The voice
I'm guessing
cracks.
5 foot. Just 5 foot.
You're off.
What?
Bro, voice cracking.
I'm 5'6".
No, you're not.
Yes, I
You're
am.
4'6".
What?
I'm 4'11".
Voice crack right there. I'm 5'6". Hunter, shut up.
I'm not even speaking.
You are. Bro, every time this kid talks, I'm like, really? 14?
Yes, I am. I hate it
There's
too.
actually no way you're 14.
I hate it too. Okay.
I need you to prove that you're 14.
1108.
Bro takes out a birth certificate and then says, I'm
Yeah, I
14.
need a full-on birth certificate. I totally won't copy it and then
Take all your
print it.
information.
Yeah, I totally won't find all your information. If I don't find this stupid dustpan, I'm killing you, Connor.
Why?
I don't know.
So I'm playing Pikmin 4 really loud.
Where is the dustpan?
Why are you whispering now?
Because I'm upstairs.
That's where the dustpan is.
What?
Stop! It loads so
What
slow.
is
I
wrong
hate
with this
everything.
kid? Is this kid like hyper?
Bro.
Quit it.